Hi there, in this video we'll be learning how to find out the least common multiple and the highest common factor of the numbers. So I'm going to begin with the least common multiple. With the least common multiple, the keyword over here is a multiple. It means of the given numbers, we'll be finding out the list of the multiples and then we're going to look to the least common multiple among them. So the first example has got a numbers which is 8 and 10. So we are finding out the least common multiple between 8 and 10. We're going to begin by writing down the multiples of 8 and the multiples of 10. So we're having the multiples of 8 would be 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. I'm going to list some of the multiples of 10 as well. So 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now in the list of the multiples, we see that which one is the least common multiple. So clearly we can see that 40 is the least common multiple between 8 and 10, and we're going to write it down. The least common multiple of 8 and 10 is 40. Going to the next example now. So we are finding out the least common multiple of 7 and 9. Again, we're going to list the multiples of 7 and we're going to list the multiples of 9. To start by writing down the multiples of 7, we'll be having 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. To list down the multiples of 9, we'll be having 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. Now we're going to look to the list of the multiples of the 7 and 9 and we look for the common multiple. So here we see that we are having a common multiple which is 63. So we write it down that the least common multiple of 7 and 9 is 63. So now we're going to look to the next example where we have been given the three numbers and we are finding out the least common multiple between 2, 3 and 4. We're going to list all the multiples of 2, 3 and 4 here, and then we're going to see what's the least common multiple in the list of the multiples. So the multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and there could be more. So the multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. The multiples of 4 would be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and more. Now we're going to see that in the list of multiples of 2, 3 and 4, which is a common multiple. So here we see that 12 is the common multiple between 2, 3 and 4. We're going to write it down that the LCM of 2, 3 and 4 would be 12. Now I'm going to show you how do we find out the highest common factor between the numbers. So here with the highest common factor, remember that the first thing we need to find out is the list of the factors of the numbers. Once we would have the list of the factors of the number, then we're going to look to the highest number of them. So I'm going to begin with the first example, and with the first example we are finding out the highest common factor of 24 and 30. We're going to list the factors of 24 here and then 30 here. So the factors of 24 is 1 and 24, then 2 and 12, then we have got 3, 8, 4 and 6. So to list the factors of 24, remember that when you multiply the numbers together, you see that they would be multiplying 2 and making 24. So when you do 1 times 24, you would have 24. Then you do 2 times 12 would give you 24. 3 times 8 gives you 24 and 4 times 6 would give you 24. So here's the list of the factors of 24. Now I'm going to write down the list of the factors for 30. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Once we have written down all the factors of 24 and 30, we're going to see what is the highest common factor between them. So we look to the highest common factor, which is 6 is the highest common factor between 20 and 30. So we say that the highest common factor of 24 and 30 would be 6. Here's the next example. So in this example as well, we are finding out the highest common factor of 36 and 27. Again, we're going to do the same thing to list all the factors of 36 here and to list all the factors of 27 here. So the factors of 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. The factors of 27 is 1, 3, 9, 27. We're going to see that what is the highest common number in the list of 36 and 27. So we see that 9 is the highest common number. So we write down that the highest common factor of 36 and 27 is 9. Here we're going to look to the last example or to find out the highest common factor between the three numbers. So the highest common factor of 24, 36 and 60. We're going to write down all the list of the factors for 24, 36 and 60, and then we're going to look for the highest common number in the list of the factors. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now I'm going to write down all the factors of 36. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now this is the list of all the factors of 60, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Make sure you write down all numbers. Whatever the factors of the number, you have to list all of them. Now of these numbers, we're going to see that what's the highest common factor. So we're going to circle the highest common factor, which we see that we have got 12 in here, we are having 12 in here and we are having 12 in here as well. So it means that the highest common factor of 24, 36 and 60 is 12. I hope you have found this video helpful in understanding how to find out the highest common factor and the least common multiple of a number. And thank you for watching the video.